Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and learning something new every day about the generative AI. In the last video, we built the level 1 RAG application, which focusing on backend components like LLMs, vector database and retrievers. If you haven't seen that video, I will add the link in the description below. Do check it out as it is a foundation for the today's video. Now in this video, we are talking about the steps further by creating a level 2 text summarization application. This includes the proof of concept, nothing but the user interfaces, so you can see how the level 2 application looks and function. Are you excited to create the level 2 application? Let's dive in straight into it. What exactly you most about the generative AI? Let me know in the comments below. Before we start into coding, let's quickly understand what makes the level 2 application different from the level 1. A level 1 application focused on the backend components like LLMs and vector database. And the level 2 application builds on the level 1 by adding the simple UI to showcase the functionality to the end user or stakeholders. It's perfect for the proof of concept demonstration. Think of it like adding a face to the brain of your application. It makes your project more interactive and user friendly. Let's build the level 2 application of the text summarization. Let's make hand dirty. Here we are developing text summarization application, which we input the text file and it will summarize the article and give the output on that. Let's see on step by step. So as usual, first we are importing the packages, that is Streamlit, LangChain OpenAI, prompt template, load summarization chart, recursive character text splitter. So here Streamlit is used to build the web inference. LangChain OpenAI and load summary chain helps to connect with OpenAI to do summarization, and recursive character text splitter used to split the long text into smaller pieces. And string IO helps us to working with the text files in the memory, like reading and them in the string. Next is setting up the page config. This is the title and icon layout for our Streamlit application, and this is some of the CSS content, that is style content. This part adds some customization style to the page, like button colors, padding and background. So next in this is just a main header and a small description shown to the top of our application. That header will be a long text summarization, and there is a small headings that summarize the large text files using OpenAI and the LangChain. Now here is this shows the collapsing section to explain what the app does. It can be when you click on that, it will show as a drop down, so you will see when the apps get ready and runs on that. And also it will help to user to who are visiting our apps for the first time. Next, this is just a promotion. It shows our YouTube channel link. If anyone click on that link, it will redirect to the YouTube channel. So next here we are calling the OpenAI API key function. Here we use earlier we are using the OpenAI key from the .ini file, so that we are creating our own application. But here what you are happening, this application will move to the end client. So end client can be input their OpenAI key and check how it was working. So here so here there will be one placeholder to input the OpenAI key. Next, file upload. The user can upload the .txt file here, and this is the input text this is the input text we will summarize. And this is shows that a heading before the displaying the summary. This shows the separation between the input and output, so it shows the output summarization on the option header will be reflected on that area. Next, after uploading, it will check whether the uploaded file this will check the user whether the uploaded the file or not. If it is uploaded, then it will continue, or else it will be stop here. When the user is uploaded, first it will check whether the API key is passed or not. If it is not, then no use of checking everything, right? So if the API key is missing, we'll show the warning or a stop the app, to stop the app. Then if it's success, we'll read the content of the inputted text, and we'll split that and we'll count the word length. If it is greater than the word length 20,000, then we'll stop and showing the error that file is too long. Maximum allowed is 20,000. Next, here we're splitting the long text into smaller chunks around 5,000 chunk size and overlapping of 350. Means it keeps a little bit of more for the previous chunk, so model doesn't miss any context. It's like reading the long article paragraph by paragraph. Next, here we now connect the OpenAI. Now we are connecting the OpenAI model and load the summarization chain. We use the map reduce type. Which means map summarize the each chunk, and reduce combines all the summarization into one file summary. Next, this is just a notification to user that while the model is working, we show that spinner so that user is known to it is loading. Once the summarization is ready, it shows the text area, means summarization area. Here next, at the last, we are defining the exception. So if occurs any exception, it will throw an exception, something went wrong. So that's it. That is the code. Let's see how it is look by running the code. So this is our application. So as shown, as told earlier, there will be drop down. So if anyone visited first time, they can get the instruction how to upload on that. This is the YouTube link, channel link. Here we have to paste the OpenAI key. So for that, I have copied the OpenAI key. I will just paste it here. Okay. If you want to view, if you click on it, it will be visible like a possible. So now we'll browse the content. It is just some blog content. It's loading now. So now it is got completed. Now it is got summarized. We got the message that summary generation successfully. So this is the summary of the given post. That's it. Having a working app that can take a long text to generate a short summary using the OpenAI. This can be used as a summarizing research paper or reports, legal documents, even your own notes. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments below. I will provide the source code GitHub link in the description below. Which components do you think the most challenging when we are building a level 2 application? Backend integration, UI design, data handling, or test and deployment? Let me know in the comments below. Let's summarize what we have learned today. A level 2 application builds on level 1 by adding the proof of concept UI. We use the LangChain components like data loader, splitter, embeddings, and LCEL chains to build our backend. Streamlit was used to create the interactive front-end inference. The final application allows the user to input the text and get a real-time summarize via easy to use by the UI. With these steps, you can now create your own level 2 application. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. It really motivates me to create the more content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any episodes in the Generative AI series. Now here is my question. What feature would you add to this text summarization app? Let me know in the comments below. In our next video, we'll take things up another notch by creating the level 3 production grade RAG application using AWS for data storage and hosting. Until then, keep exploring and stay updated with all the things AI. See you in the next video. Bye bye.